guys, how are you doing all? Hope you're doing well. So welcome back to my channel. So today's videos is all about dark spots, dark circles, pigmentation. After pregnancy, I was facing dark circles and pigmentation problem a lot. So I had just tried a lot of things but didn't get any result. So today I'm gonna show you the best face pack which solve all these problems. We just need three ingredients which are easily available at home. So without wasting much time, I am going to show you how to prepare this face pack and how we will use on our face. So let's get start. First ingredient which we need for this face pack is rose petal powder. So I am using Good Vibes rose petal powder. This is very cheap and very good rose petal powder, and we all know that rose petal powder is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidant which help to boost the collagen and production and strengthen skin cells. It helps in removing pigmentation, blemishes and scars from the skin. So we will just take 1 tablespoon of this rose petal. So I am taking this much. Okay. So our next ingredient is curd. So curd is packed with the goodness of vitamin D, which can provide you skin with a whole lot of benefits. In curd, lactic acids is there, which helps fight against wrinkles and early signs of aging. So we will take 1 tablespoon of curd. This is fresh curd I made at my home. So we will take this much of curd. And our third ingredient is lemon. So lemon is just lemon will work on your face like a miracle. We all know that lemon naturally contains vitamin C, which works as an antioxidant on our face. It helps in skin lightening. So we will take half lemon juice, squeeze it, mix this paste. Now you can see it is ready to use. So we will just apply on our face. Be sure that your face is clean before using this face pack. So just apply. Actually I have just applied lipstick. I didn't use any makeup. So just apply like this, massage gently. Okay. Don't forget to apply under your eye areas, because it will reduce your dark circle also. So we need to use on this area. Just massage gently. Likewise we will apply all over our. Be careful around your under eye areas. So by using both hands we will massage like this, and use your this finger around your eyes area. That's it. Now lift it for 10 minutes. So 10 minute is over. Now we will take one cotton cloth, and by using cotton cloth we will do like this. We will massage on our face. Now wash your face with normal water. I washed my face and now you can see the result. By using this face pack you will definitely get 100% result. Just try at your home and use it 2 days in a week, and comment me that whether you get result or not, but trust me, you will definitely get result. Thank you so much for watching.